Back at it again, you know. I done the place, you know. I'm here the top chef, you know. Wow, go on. Hear me I say, no? Today we are cook some bully beef and fried dumpling. Easy. Hear me I say, add your flour in a pan, cornmeal, sugar. Hear me I say, look up baking powder. Don't forget the baking powder and salt. And then you add water. Then we are going to knead the flour. You see me I say, knead it just like that. Yeah, man, just like that. Because we need the dumpling. You see me I say, hear me I say, then you are prep right now because the oil are hot. You see me I say, after that you turn down your stove a little bit, add them in the pot. You see me I say, just like that. Look at that. Look at that, man. Hear me I say, flip them because we don't want to burn them up. You see me I say, and then you look for the golden brown color, you know. Look at that. Damn. Hear me I say, take them out because them one they done after we make them soak. You see me I say, me want my dumpling them hollow. You see me I say, when them done them for hollow inside, that's how me cook dumpling. Hear me I say, back at it again. Hear me I say, onion, tomato, pepper, dumpling done. What we are going to do with them? We are going to saute the onion and the tomato and the pepper. You see me I say, turn down the stove. And you see me I say, saute them. Be patient. You see me I say, and then open the, you know what me nearly lost the key? Yeah, man. And then what me do? Me crush out the bully beef in a pot. Season it up because you need little flavor. You see me I say? And look at that. Look at that. Damn. Yeah, me I say, time for consume. Our way.